Welcome to Miami Realtors Proxio Connect International MLS and Referral System class. To start, join us at miamirealtors.com. Click on the gateway. That will bring you to your dashboard. Click on Proxio, and that will bring you to Proxio Connect. Note that in Proxio Connect, you will see your membership type here. If you're a Platinum Plus, it will take 72 hours to reflect your premium agent. If you have not upgraded yet and you're interested in Miami Platinum Plus, visit miamirealtors.com/Platinum Plus. All Miami agents have a standard membership, and all of us have a profile. To edit our profile, simply come to click on the green Edit My Profile. Toggle to be able to edit. Be sure to come and change your photo and add the photo that you would like to use by browsing. Be sure to come in and add your title, realtor, realtor associate, or what you use on your business cards. Come in, add the information for your phone number. If you have a Skype account, use your Skype name. And take a minute and put a description of yourself, English, French, etc. I will leave this on screen a couple of seconds for you to view, take a screenshot, or a picture of, in case you would like to use it as a profile, a way of writing yours. Continuing down, take a minute and put in the links for your LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and website. Please remember that before doing this, make sure that you are on your profile page on these pages. Copy the URL up top and paste them in. For specialties, take a minute and start typing out your specialty. So if it's residential, start typing it, and when the drop-down menu appears, simply select. For languages spoken, do the same. Start typing, select. To remove any of these items, simply click X. For designations, click the plus sign. Come on in, enter. Enter. To remove, simply click the X. Do the same thing for qualifications, skills, and credentials. Take your time, fill this out. I'll give you a second. Specialties market, if you have any. Areas served. Take a minute here. Start typing in. Select from the drop-down when you type in. Remember to choose from the drop-down. And if you have a video, come on in and add a link. Once you finish filling out your profile, on the lower right-hand side, there's an up-facing arrow. Click it, and it will bring you back to the top, where you will be allowed to save your profile. You can update your profile as many times as you like. Always be sure to have a picture up to date and information for your contact. Once you save your profile, this is what the profile will look for others coming to visit you. They will be able to click and view your phone number, see the About Me, the information that you've put in, and your specialty area. This is why it is so important to fill it out. Notice that Miami does share the listings with Proxio. If you put your listing in our Miami MLS, we will go ahead and then share it with Proxio. The listings will then be reflected on your profile. Here's a sample. Under my listings, you can see my two listings. In this instance, I have them upgraded with the showcase. This is because I'm Platinum Plus. Even if you did not have them upgraded, your listings would show. They would just say public. Mine say showcase because they have been upgraded. This is one of the Platinum Plus features, which means that there is a website created for these listings. Now continuing. The idea here is to build your network. So on the left-hand side on the menu bar, let's click on Build My Network. What does this mean? That I can then link and connect to realtors around the world. I can come up top and select the country, type in the city, and search. If I would like to invite them to join my network, I simply come in and click Invite to Network. Select if I'd like to add them to my agent network, send them qualified buyers, and submit referrals for your properties, meaning that you would like to work with them on either of these three. You even have an opportunity here to type in information if you'd like, and click Send. What does this do? This sends an email to that agent that they can see in their emails, and they can accept there or the following. Let me close out. When they log in, just as I have here, they can have a connection request. All you need to do is accept, or they would accept your request. Once you've accepted, they are now a part of your agent network. The agent network then allows you to email and send information to all of these folks. So when you have a listing or representing some type of pre-construction or development, want to share statistics and data about investing in South Florida, entice them to send you their customers that are willing to invest, you can do that all here. Select agents, email the individuals, but have them be a part of your network. The system also allows you on the left-hand side to search for properties around the world of the listings of agents or brokerages that have placed them directly in Proxio Connect. Note that the ones that say showcased are readily available for you to share on your showcase. A second video will be providing information on that. Note here that if I was interested, I could actually come in, click for country, find a country of choice, search. I could even choose regions, right? Listing price, all listings. I can select from residential for sale, for rent, commercial for sale, commercial for rent, land for sale, land for rent, or other. I could put a minimum price, max price, currency, beds and baths, property size and square footage, and click search. Any property that just says public and not showcased, I can actually even share. If I open it up, just like in our MLS, I see courtesy of, I see the listing agent. I can even send the listing agent a message saying, this property is wonderful. I will be sharing on my social sites. So looking forward to working with you. Submit. And I can also put it on my social sites. I can actually email it directly to my customer or person of interest saying, wow, look at this property. Isn't this what you were looking for? I can also put it on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Here's an example. I'm going to click through to Facebook. It's going to ask me to log in. I will log into my account. Notice that it wants to put it on my personal page. Oh no. I click down, select for a page I managed to put on my business page, put it onto my business page by selecting it here, and simply put, isn't this gorgeous? You would put something like, whether you're interested in shopping locally, statewide, nationwide, or around the world, I'm the realtor for you. Let me help and assist you in finding your future investment or property. I teach, so I'll put something like this. Miami members, enjoy your Proxio Connect. Visit us in class. Hope to see you soon. Of course, always remember to hashtag. Right? And all you do is click post. Now, some of you may be wondering, will Mikael's information show? Good question. Let's log in. And here I have it, my post. This is what I wanted you to see. Though I share it, it'll say courtesy of, but if I click through, just like when you share it, you will be the point of contact. They can view your profile, click to view your phone number, and it shows you as presented by and that you're featuring it. Courtesy of the brokerage, you have the information for you. All of this available to you because you are in Proxio Connect, because you're a Miami member. Now back to Proxio Connect. That was how you search for properties. If I click for promotions, remember I told you about building your network and establishing connections? Well, here you are able to market, send information out, note who you've connected with, and market your listings to those that you've connected with. Simply click and share. Last but not least, click home. Remember, you must work on your profile by editing your profile. You're a premium agent if you're Platinum Plus or if you've upgraded. If you click through the upgraded note, the premium, if you pay it directly to Proxio, is $349. Platinum Plus includes this and is $179 a year, along with so much more. If you're interested, contact one of us at the office or visit miamirealtors.com/Platinum Plus. Now for the 5 complimentary showcase listings. You get 5 of these in a year. Notice that I've already promoted mine. If you're interested in upgrading yours, you would have your listings here, and all you would have to do is click promote or upgrade. What that does, it creates a website with the pictures you've already put into the MLS, information you've already entered into the MLS, and creates a standalone URL that you can share just about anywhere. This URL will come with the photos that you've put in, listing information that you've provided, location, brochures, mini brochure and digital flyer for you to share, and of course the images. This makes it easy for you to market and promote, and this, my friends, is available in all of these languages. Not only that, since you've upgraded, for those that belong to the showcase, they will also be able to feature and share your listing, helping you sell it quickly. Thank you for joining us. This has been Proxio Connect for Miami members. Have a great day. Thank you for being a Miami member.